Honorable Chief Minister, sir, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, and the members of the Council of Ministers, very good afternoon. And very good afternoon to the district collectors as well. Sir, this is the slide which is presenting the R&B network in the state of Andhra Pradesh, sir. We have 45,378 kilometers of road network. Out of this, almost 13,000 kilometers is under defect liability period, sir. And right now, we have around 11,000 kilometers which is in bad condition, which needs to be repaired. Out of this, sir, around 4,000 kilometers has already been covered under SDF. And right now, we have requested around 284 crores to maintain the 7,067 kilometers, sir. Next. Next slide, please. So, as Honorable Chief Minister observed in his inaugural remarks, sir, we have identified few roads to be developed under PPP mode, sir. Sir, in the year 2016, as per your direction, sir, around 31 roads were taken up for study, and out of those 31 sites, only 3 roads were identified as feasible, sir. One, Kondamodu to Perecherla, Gunturu to Parchur, and Kakinada to Jonnada, sir. Of course, none of these projects could be.
మీరు అవన్నీ పాతవన్నీ ఓన్లీ గైడ్ లైన్స్ తప్ప ఇప్పుడు అదే పెట్టుకొని ఉంటే కూడా
No, sir. We have again identified around 14 projects, sir, and that's the point we are highlighting before the collectors, so that they can also identify the feasible.
Hear me. Why can't you do as many as possible? రాకపోతే పర్లేదు ప్రాజెక్ట్ రిపోర్ట్స్ ముందు తయారు చేయండి మీరు.
Yes, sir. Actually, we have identified around 1,000 kilometers, sir.
1,000 kilometers is not enough. మీరంతా పీస్ మీల్ గా ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు. ఐ వాంట్ టు గో ఆల్ అవుట్. All state highways, I wanted to go for PPP model, either viability gap funding, all these new concepts. నేను చెప్పానంటే మీకు ఇంకా మీరు పాత మోసలో ఉన్నారు. చెప్పింది కూడా ఫాలో కావడం లేదు. ఈవెన్ గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా ఈజ్ విల్లింగ్ టు గివ్ సమ్ వైబిలిటీ గ్యాప్ ఫండింగ్. వాళ్ళు ఎంత ఇస్తారు, మనం ఎంత ఇవ్వాలి, హౌ టు గో అబౌట్, ఒకవేళ ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇస్తారు అవన్నీ వర్కౌట్ చేయండి. మీరు కావాలంటే మనం ఎక్సీడ్ అవుదాం.
తప్పకుండా సార్. మనకి 12,000 కిలోమీటర్స్ స్టేట్ హైవేస్ ఉన్నాయి సార్. ఆ 12,000 కిలోమీటర్స్ కి స్టడీస్ కండక్ట్ చేసి తమకి రిపోర్ట్ సబ్మిట్ చేస్తాను సార్.
నాకు సబ్మిట్ చేయక్కర్లేదు, మీరు ముందుకు పోమంటున్నారు.
షూర్ సార్.
నోట్స్ ఇంకా సబ్మిషన్లు లేకుంటే ఎగ్జామిన్లు అవన్నీ లేవు. ఎగ్జిక్యూషనే క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ.
We'll do that, sir. Next slide, please. Next. Yeah. This is status of national highways, sir. Just we have 8,800 kilometers of national highways in our state, sir. 2 agencies are working on this. One is NHAI, another is MORTH. And I have given you the targets for this financial year under MORTH and NHAI, sir. And we have listed 9 projects which need to be monitored by the district collectors closely so that they can be expedited as fast as they can. Next. So these NHAI projects, sir, which needed some coordination and some clearances from the forest department. So we have conducted one initial meeting with forest, district collectors and R&B officials, sir. We have sorted out majority of the forest clearances which were pending. So one is this Bangalore, Kadapa, Vijayawada, NH 544G, sir. The district collectors Satchisai, Vaisar, Kadapa, Prakasham and Nellore. All these collectors we have taken on video conferencing, and they have agreed that majority of the forest issues which were pending for publication of, as Special CS Forest pointed out, inclusion of these lands under prohibitory order book and giving of our compensatory forest or for certificate. Compensatory forest certificate. They were all given by the district collectors. Now most of the projects will be cleared on priority basis. And here in Kadapa Renugunta section, sir, there's one wildlife clearance and forest clearance is pending, sir. That we would be taking up with the forest department. I request the respective district collectors to coordinate with the district forest officials to expedite this entire action process. Next. So we have 3 railway projects, ongoing railway projects in our state, sir. As Honorable CM is aware, the South Coastal Railway Zone at Visakhapatnam, sir. For this, 52.22 acres of land.
Collector Visakhapatnam is not here. We discussed it. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Nadikudi Srikalahasti, sir. Sir, this Nadikudi Srikalahasti land acquisition awards were passed, sir, but land could not be handed over. In Nadikudi Srikalahasti in Prakasham district, again I talked to the district collector and joint collector as well. There are 5 villages, Peramgudipalli, Chinagirlapadu, Shankavaram, Polavaram. Small stretches are pending, sir, 400 meters, 900 meters, 650 meters, like that. So a total length of 4 kilometers affected with this. I request the district collector Prakasham to coordinate and pass the awards and hand over the lands to the respective railway authorities. In the way between Kanigiri to Pamuru, sir, award was already passed for 14.28 acres, and bills could not be uploaded for about 26.22 acres. So I request the collector to upload the bills and take steps to hand over the land. Between Pamuru, beyond Pamuru, that is in Nellore district, sir. Nellore district, a few 752.34 acres of award was passed, sir. 110 acres. This cooperative joint farming society lands are pending. So I request the district collector to take action to hand over these lands. Similarly, around 410 acres of DKT lands are also pending, sir. Award to be passed for that. Tirupati, Dakkali and Balayapalli Mandal, sir. Few issues are there. Again, land acquisition to be expedited.